Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this BMW F800GT, registered the 23rd of May 2016 on a 16 plate with only 228 miles and presented in stunning Montego Blue Metallic, benefiting from a BMW top box and service history. The BMW F800GT is a superb all-round sports tourer, designed to deliver effortless long-distance comfort whilst remaining engaging and confidence-inspiring on country roads. Powered by BMW's proven 798cc parallel twin engine producing smooth, usable power throughout the rev range, the F800GT combines performance with impressive fuel economy and practicality. Featuring a comfortable upright riding position, adjustable screen, belt drive system for reduced maintenance, onboard computer, ABS braking system and heated grips, the F800GT is equally at home commuting, touring Europe or enjoying a weekend ride. This BMW will leave us serviced where required with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection and 12 months MOT. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK and a wide range of finance options. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 01424444448, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk or WhatsApp 07359837799. Please note we have a small £89 admin fee applicable to all our bikes. Thank you for viewing and we look forward to hearing from you soon.